Hi everyone, welcome to Learning AI Together channel, and I'm excited to walk you through a tool I've built called RAGcruiter. It's a resume screening app designed to help recruiters find the right candidates, faster and smarter. Let me show you how it works. We often rely on keyword-based filters to scan resumes. But these filters can miss great candidates simply because they don't use the exact terms in the job description. To solve this, I built RAGcruiter using semantic search and generative AI, specifically, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. That's where the name comes from. Here's the workflow. At the top, there's a text box where you can paste a job description. Below that, you can upload multiple resumes in PDF format. Let me paste a sample job description I pulled from LinkedIn for a data scientist role. It lists the responsibilities and required qualifications. Now I'll upload a few random resumes I've downloaded as templates. Once uploaded, the app starts processing. It extracts the text from the resumes, cleans it, and organizes it into relevant sections like skills, experience, and education. Then, it uses a sentence transformer model to convert each section into embeddings. These embeddings help measure how semantically relevant each resume is to the job description, so we're not just matching words, but meanings. To retrieve the most relevant content, we use FAISS for similarity search. Next, we pass the most relevant resume chunks and the job description to Gemini 1.5 Flash, which analyzes everything and returns deep insights. You get two main analysis paths. First, you can evaluate each resume individually, how well it matches, key strengths, weaknesses, and even ask follow-up questions using the Ask a Question tab. Second, you can get a summary across all resumes using the dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll see an overview of all submitted applications, like how many were uploaded, how many scored above 70%, and the average match score. It also shows the top 5 candidates and their match percentages. You'll find breakdowns of commonly matched tools and skills, candidate interests, and resume distribution, giving you a big picture view. The app even extracts candidate names from the resume PDFs, even if they weren't explicitly labeled. You'll also see job match percentages computed by Gemini. And there are filters, like selecting a specific candidate to view their skills, experience, or interest areas. You can filter for candidates with at least 2 years of experience, for example. Let's do that. Here are the 5 who meet that criteria. You can also filter by tools used or minimum job match percentage. For individual analysis, just pick a specific resume, like this one, and click Analyze Resume. The app extracts the relevant parts, converts them into embeddings, and sends both the resume content and the job description to Gemini. Gemini returns a structured summary, candidate strengths, weaknesses, and missing skills. You can also click Match Percentage to see how well they fit the job description, along with unmatched keywords and final thoughts. Have specific questions? Just ask. For example, does this person know Kubernetes? Even though Kubernetes isn't required for this role, Gemini checks and replies. No, not mentioned. Now let's ask about Python. Yes, the resume shows strong Python skills and even lists libraries like NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, Keras, and Flask. So that's RAGcruiter, an app that makes resume screening smarter, more accurate, and fairer. It's a simple tool powered by some pretty powerful tech. If you'd like to try it out or explore the code, all the links are in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and connect. See you next time.